science experiment, and the name of this science experiment is self-inflating balloon. What is this?
Balloon.
Inflating means it will blow. Okay. Self means apne aap. Okay. So this balloon is going to inflate by itself. Okay. What we need for this? We have vinegar. So what I will do? I will add vinegar in this bottle. Okay. And I have baking soda. Okay. I have baking soda.
Yes.
And I am going to take this baking soda in this balloon. What is this?
Balloon.
No, what is this? What I am adding in balloon?
Baking soda.
Soda, yes. Now what will happen? This baking soda will mix with vinegar and it will form carbon dioxide gas. You know? Let's see what will happen. Now look here very carefully. Let's see what happened. Baking soda, I am going to add this baking soda in this vinegar.
Ooh.
What is happening? The balloon is inflating. Do you know how this happened? Because when we add this baking soda in vinegar, it forms a carbon dioxide gas. So what happened? This gas filled in this balloon. So when this gas filled in this balloon, it inflates. Okay? Enjoyed?
Yes.